So I just made this mala out of unakite, and unakite actually is very supportive of the heart chakra. So the way I might use this mala in my meditation practice is I might come up with an affirmation like, my heart is healed, my heart is healed. And then I would repeat it for 108 times. My heart is healed, 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 my heart is healed. You would continue fingering the beautiful unakite beads, saying this either silently or out loud for the whole 108 times. Now, interestingly enough, the guru bead is considered very important because of having a teacher in your life. Now, the teacher could be your own heart, or it could be some outside spiritual influence or a book. So you could finger the guru bead. Some malas, and I have quite a few, but not in my hands right now, have tassels. And the tassels relate to your own learning. So this is just a little bit to help you understand how you could use a mala in your meditation practice. And when I design malas, they're not only designed for spiritual use, but they're designed to be beautiful accessories.